Hi, I'm Lee Gunkel. I'm a Family Nutrition Program Assistant with NDSU Extension Service, and I'm going to show you how to prepare a week's worth of snacks in 10 minutes or less. How often have you been in your car driving your kids from activity to activity? They're hungry. Well, what do? Well, with a little planning and preparation, you can have healthy snacks ready to grab and go. Healthy snacks are an important part of your child's diet. Choose nutritious snacks that your family enjoys. Apples were on sale this week, so I'm going to prepare them for my snack bags. I've washed my apples and now I'm going to use an apple slicer to make this job even easier. Next, I'm going to dip the apples in lemon juice to prevent them from browning. Another option for a healthy snack is peanut butter and crackers or peanut butter and celery. Well, it's not handy grabbing the peanut butter jar and taking it in the car with you. So if you have young kids, put the peanut butter in a small container and they can take their crackers or celery and dip it in that and eat it. But a fun thing for older kids is to take a Ziploc bag, put the peanut butter in it, seal it shut. Then in the car, they can twist off the end, squeeze the peanut butter down to that corner, and just squirt it onto the cracker or onto the celery stick. A fun thing to make and eat. I have a week's worth of snacks here ready to grab and go. In this box, I have vegetables that have been portioned out into little Ziploc bags, apples that have been cut up, grapes, cheese sticks. This box is ready to go to the fridge. In this box, I have non-perishable items that can go right into the backpack into the car. I have nuts, crackers, raisins, cereal, fruit cup, applesauce, and popcorn ready to pop and go. With these tips, it's easy to have a week's worth of healthy snacks for your family to grab and go.